Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to change the desktop or laptop background images. Click on search here, type settings, click on settings app here, and here click on the personalization. Okay, and also if you want to come to settings page, by directly you can come also. Right click and click on personalize option here in the desktop itself. You can directly redirect to personalization option in Windows 11 operating system. You can see personalization and you can see the background here, and also in the Windows icon, right click and click on settings. From there also you can come to personalization option here. Click on background image, color or slideshow option here. If you want to select any, by default there are several images over here. So if you want to, the default, if you want to click on any one here. Click on this and minimize. Now you can see it got changed the desktop background image. And if you want to choose any photo, or if you want to download a photo, any of that, you can click on browse photos option and you can set that photo as your desktop background. Choose a fit for your desktop image. Here you can select the option also, the color, whatever you want, you can select the background color also, and click on view colors and select on any color here. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.